welcome to the channel and thank you for stopping by for this sneaker review. I'm not going to call it an unboxing because I've already taken a look at what is a fresh pair of Converse Chuck Taylor 70s, and this specific pair is in collaboration with Feng Chen Wang. Now I'm not going to pretend like I know who Feng Chen Wang is. I'm just going to say Feng because it's easier, but from what I hear, Feng is a Chinese-born designer who is currently based in London, and the first time we saw these sneakers on display was during a New York Fashion Week Spring-Summer 2019 showcase. And without much further ado, here is the pair that we're looking at today. Isn't this just something else? Let me get the other pair out as well. Now, if you guys are regulars at my channel, you would know that my camera is busted, which is why I'm shooting on an iPhone, and I just can't be bothered to get my entire face in it. Hey, you're not here for my face anyway. And since I'm sparing you that, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you like the content in it. And if you are new to this channel, it's the first time that you're seeing one of my videos, make sure to smash that subscribe button down there. So this is it. You have this nice basic box. It's half matte, half glossy. Like you can tell, the beige or the sail part is glossy, and so is Feng Chen Wang, and the white part's kind of matte. It's nice to see Converse doing like a different box, because the Fear of God Essentials Chuck Taylors came in this teeny tiny box. So yeah, we're not here for the box though, we're here for the sneaker. There, let's take a proper 360-degree look at it, and there you have the outsole. So from what I hear, during a showcase in New York Fashion Week Spring-Summer 2019, Feng just reached out to the guys at Converse and asked for a few Chuck Taylors to finish a presentation, to put all of the outfits together. They sent her a bunch of pairs, and she had this brilliant idea of piecing together a couple of pairs, like two pairs of different sizes, to make this specific silhouette. I'll take you through the details. In terms of branding, you have your Converse All-Star branding right there on the original midsole, and you can see how there's gaps on it, and underneath there you see how a different sole has been pasted on the primary sole of the Chuck 70. The same goes with the rear panel. You have the original Chuck 70 right here, which would be, I assume, the black and white, on which you have this white heel counter thrown on. And much like the Fear of God Essentials, you have this lace loop right here on the back, through which you can get your laces. And also for different kind of styling, I guess you can also put your laces through both of these eyelets. It comes with two sets of laces, which is your regular white lace, and then you have a Feng Chen Wang branded set of black laces. The inside obviously has the Converse logo along with Feng Chen Wang. Man, I gotta say that these sneakers are really heavy. I'm gonna quickly pull out the other pair to see if there's any differences between both of them. Nah, I don't see anything that's different from this pair. So essentially it's just your regular Chuck Taylor. Like, there's nothing different in the uppers. It's just the addition of these extra soles and this extra panel. I hear that Feng's basic aesthetic is deconstruction and all of that, and putting pieces together, which is why she did what she did with this Chuck Taylors. And almost 2 years later, right, Spring-Summer 2019 would have been sometime in 2018. So almost 2 years later, this final product has come into the market. I just hope that Converse doesn't screw things up and release its own range of 2-in-1 Chuck 70s, like they did with a Cold Wall collab, or with the JW Anderson Runstar High collab. Now this sneaker is super heavy. I kid you not, it's not light at all. I think it's the reason that they have two of these. Like, a Chuck Taylor is all sole, right? And all sole, good one. The canvas upper doesn't carry too much of weight. It's just the sole that's all heavy, and all of a sudden you have two soles on one pair, so it makes it a lot heavier than you'd expect. So it's almost like a boot. In terms of sizing, I went with my regular true size which is in UK. So I went to the UK 8, which would actually also be a US 8. I wear a US 9 when it comes to Jordan 1s and all of that, but I also wear a regular US 8 on a pair of Chuck Taylors. In a Chuck Taylor, a UK 8 is the same as a US 8. So if you were to wear a UK 9, you get a US 9, you don't get a US 10. That's the sizing that I would go with. The price in this pair also is higher than a regular Chuck Taylor 70. It was $160 if I remember right, and I copped this off the High Snobiety website. Shout out to my guy Vaishakh for helping me out on that front. A regular pair of Chuck Taylors would probably be about $100. This one's about $160, and it makes sense. It's a designer collab. Also, there are literally almost 2 shoes, right? What, 1.75 shoes? Okay, I'm gonna now slip these on feet and show you what they look like. That's it, you guys, for this video. Thank you for tuning in and staying all the way through to the end. I'm going to be doing a lot more videos as and when I get the opportunity. For now, I'll be shooting on my phone till finances sorted out. Maybe I should actually put a stop on buying sneakers and buy a camera instead. We'll see when it comes to that. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.